Every year, millions of tourists flock to New York City wishing to experience its vibrant energy and iconic landmarks. However, with so much to see and do, planning a trip to the Big Apple can feel overwhelming. Visitors often find themselves wondering how they can fit everything into a short visit. In this guide, I'll take you through a meticulously planned 5-day itinerary that ensures you experience the best of New York City without feeling rushed. Day 1. Classic Manhattan. Begin your day in Midtown, an ideal place to stay, with options ranging from luxurious hotels in the Upper East Side to more budget-friendly accommodations in Long Island City or the Upper West Side. After settling in, enjoy a classic New York breakfast of freshly baked bagels from a local bakery. With a variety of toppings to choose from, you'll start your day fueled and ready. Post-breakfast, venture out to Times Square to soak in the vibrant energy of its towering digital billboards and bustling crowds. Getting around is a breeze with the subway, which connects you to all major attractions efficiently. Purchasing a Metro card for unlimited rides is highly recommended for ease and savings. Your cultural journey begins at the Museum of Modern Art, where you can admire artworks from icons like Van Gogh and Warhol. To avoid long lines, it's wise to purchase your tickets online ahead of your visit. Afterward, find tranquility and lush scenery with a stroll or a relaxing picnic in Central Park, offering a peaceful retreat amidst the city hustle. Explore the diverse culinary scene in Hell's Kitchen area, where you can savor dishes ranging from gourmet international cuisine to comforting local favorites. Cap the evening with a Broadway show, where buying tickets in advance can often lead to cost savings and better seating arrangements. Day 2. Downtown and Financial District. Begin your day with a sunrise walk across the Brooklyn Bridge. This isn't just any walk, it's a journey across one of New York's most iconic landmarks. The bridge offers unparalleled views of the Manhattan skyline and the Statue of Liberty, providing perfect photo opportunities in the early morning light. Feel the breeze and capture the essence of the city as you make your way across the East River. After your inspiring start, head down to the bustling streets of the Financial District. Here, the energy is palpable around Wall Street and the New York Stock Exchange, where fortunes are made and lost. Next, visit the 9/11 Memorial and Museum. This profoundly moving site pays tribute to the lives lost and the enduring spirit of resilience. Take your time to reflect and explore the exhibits that tell the stories of that day and its aftermath. For lunch, choose from a variety of local spots that cater to every taste, from quick deli sandwiches to relaxing sit-down restaurants. As the day winds down, make your way to One World Observatory. The elevator ride itself is an experience, whisking you to the top for breathtaking panoramic views of New York City. As dusk falls, the city lights begin to twinkle, setting a magical backdrop for your evening. Finally, explore the Lower East Side, a neighborhood known for its rich history and vibrant cultural scene. Dive into its eclectic mix of trendy restaurants, bars, and live music venues. Day 3. Museum Day in Central Park. Start your day at the Metropolitan Museum of Art, affectionately known as the Met. As one of the largest and most prestigious art museums in the world, the Met offers a diverse array of art from across centuries and continents. Spend your morning wandering through galleries, filled with ancient Egyptian artifacts, European masterpieces, and modern American art. Each hall you enter offers a new perspective on the human experience, captured through the creative genius of artists throughout history. After absorbing the richness of the Met, take a stroll through the Upper East Side. This neighborhood is famed for its elegant architecture and luxurious boutiques. It's the perfect backdrop for a leisurely afternoon walk. For lunch, settle into one of the quaint cafes in the area. Enjoy a moment of relaxation with a good meal, perhaps reflecting on the art you've seen or planning your next visit. As the evening begins, make your way to Lincoln Center for the Performing Arts. This iconic cultural complex is home to some of the most celebrated arts organizations, including the Metropolitan Opera, New York City Ballet, and the New York Philharmonic. Depending on the schedule, you could catch a breathtaking ballet performance, a dramatic opera, or a symphonic orchestra concert. Before the show, dine at one of the sophisticated restaurants nearby, where you can enjoy fine dining that complements an evening of high culture. Day 4. Local Vibes. Start your exploration in Williamsburg, Brooklyn's epicenter of hip. Wander through its streets lined with indie music venues, vibrant street art, and bustling flea markets. Here, you can shop for vintage finds and unique handmade goods, capturing the entrepreneurial spirit of the area. The neighborhood's artistic flair is visible in every corner, making it a haven for creatives and fashion enthusiasts. Next, make your way to Dumbo, a neighborhood renowned for its stunning waterfront views and cobblestone streets. Grab a casual lunch at one of the chic eateries along the water, enjoying the iconic views of the Manhattan skyline and the Brooklyn Bridge. After lunch, visit the Brooklyn Museum, one of the oldest and largest art museums in the nation. Delve into collections that span from ancient Egyptian masterpieces to contemporary American art, offering insights into diverse cultures and historical periods. As the sun begins to set, find your way to a rooftop bar or restaurant in Brooklyn, where you can dine with panoramic views of the city lights. The atmosphere here is perfect for reflecting on the day's adventures and soaking in the skyline. Day 5. Relax and explore. Begin your day in Greenwich Village, affectionately known as The Village. This neighborhood is the heart of New York City's bohemian lifestyle, historically home to artists and musicians. Enjoy a leisurely brunch at one of the many quaint cafes here, soaking in the laid-back atmosphere. After brunch, take a stroll through Washington Square Park, a key gathering place where you can watch street performers, musicians, and local artists, sharing their talents amidst the iconic arch and fountain. After relaxing in the Village, make your way to Soho and Tribeca. Soho, known for its beautiful cast-iron buildings and cobblestone streets, is a prime destination for fashion lovers and art enthusiasts alike. Explore a range of high-end boutiques and prominent art galleries. Continue to Tribeca, a neighborhood that combines industrial heritage with an upscale modern vibe. Here, you can unwind in one of the stylish coffee shops or browse through more local galleries. For your farewell dinner, choose a signature New York restaurant with city views, offering a memorable culinary experience that matches the backdrop. This is your chance to reflect on the adventures of the past week and indulge in some of the city's finest cuisine. After dinner, if you feel like capturing one last night of New York City magic, visit a rooftop bar. Sip a cocktail as you take in the panoramic views of the city skyline. there's no better way to say goodbye to this incredible city. As our exploration of New York City comes to a close, we thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the vibrant streets, iconic landmarks, and hidden gems of the Big Apple. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with your favorite moments or places we visited. Until next time, keep exploring and find your adventure in every corner of the world. Safe travels!